Smartphone. I use my smartphone to call my friend. Laptop. She types an email on her laptop. Desktop computer. He plays games on his desktop computer. TV or television. I turn on the TV at night. Remote control. She changes the channel with the remote control. Tablet. The boy watches videos on his tablet. Smartwatch. I check the time on my smartwatch. Keyboard. He types fast on the keyboard. Webcam. We have a video call with the webcam. Printer. I print my homework with the printer. USB pen drive or USB stick. I save my files on a USB stick. USB cable. I charge my phone with a USB cable. SIM card. The phone needs a SIM card to work. Mouse. She uses the mouse to click on the screen. Earphone. I listen to music with my earphones. Headphone. He wears big headphones at work. Wireless headphone. My wireless headphones don't need cables. Charger. I need a charger for my phone. Wireless charger. She uses a wireless charger at home. Portable charger. I take my portable charger when I travel. Speakers. The music plays from the speakers. Portable speaker or Bluetooth speaker. He brings a Bluetooth speaker to the picnic. Microphone. I speak into the microphone. Wireless microphone. The singer uses a wireless microphone. Tripod. I put the camera on the tripod. Digital camera. She takes pictures with a digital camera. Selfie ring lamp. The ring light helps with photos. Extension cord. I plug in the fan with an extension cord. Projector. The teacher shows a video with the projector. Digital clock. The digital clock shows 10:30.
Which of these devices is used to make calls and send messages? What do you use to type on a computer? Which one is a small device you can use to store files? What do you need to connect your phone to charge it? Which device helps you listen to music without disturbing others? What device can charge your phone when there is no outlet? Which device lets you surf the internet, play games, and read, and is bigger than a phone but smaller than a laptop? Which device is often worn on your wrist and can connect to your phone? Which item can play music out loud and connect to your phone wirelessly? What device is used to hold a camera or phone steady when filming?
I hope you liked the video. Want to study more? Grab the text and PDF here, and you can also visit my website for more English activities. See you!